Welcome back. English assimilation is a process in which sounds in a word or between words are changed to make it easier to pronounce them together. This can occur in both spoken and written English. But before I tell you that, assimilation occurs when a consonant sound starts to sound like another sound in the word. It's a process where a speech sound becomes similar or identical to a neighboring sound. Good boy is pronounced as good boy, with the D sound being assimilated in the following B. So good boy. Next time is pronounced as next time, time. Friendship is pronounced as friendship, with the D sound being assimilated but not deleted into the following S sound. Black coffee is pronounced as black coffee, with the K sound being assimilated into the following C sound. Red dress is pronounced as red dress, with the D sound being assimilated into the following R sound. First love is pronounced as first love, with the T sound being assimilated into the following I sound. Grandmother is pronounced as grandmother. Grandmother is pronounced as grandmother, with the D sound being assimilated into the M sound. Assimilation is an important aspect of English pronunciation and can help to make spoken English sound more natural and fluid. Thank you very much.